They say that a leopard never changes its spots. But au contraire, Moon Frere, I disagree because I have changed my ways. I used to think that Swiss Army knives were cheap little plastic pot steel knives with tinker toy tools on them. Now, I still think that. They're still plastic, pot steel, and have cheap little tinker toy tools on them. But they do plastic, pot steel, and tinker toy tools better than anybody else. And I've changed. I have changed my spots. I love Victorinox knives. And I used to be the biggest Victorinox hater.